Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through the number system conversion, and for this video we are going to look at binary fraction to decimal, and these are the steps that we take whenever we want to convert a binary to a decimal number. And remember, for a binary it has two digits, that is 0 and 1, while for the decimal it has from 0 all the way to 9. Okay, so these are the steps. So we have step number 1, you write down the number, you write the respective place, you multiply, and lastly you add. Okay, let's dive direct to the examples that we have. Okay, so our first example, we have 111.111. So as usual, write down the number. Step 2, so this is my number, 1111.111. Then the position is always from the point. So this is a 0, 1, 2, and lastly 3. This is a -1. As you move to on the right side, it's supposed to be -2, and lastly 3. Then the place value of this one is supposed to be 2 raised to power 3, while this is a 2 raised to power 2, and 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. Then after the point, we have 2 raised to power -1, 2 raised to power -2, and lastly 2 raised to power -3. Okay, let's expand this one. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Well, this one is 4, and 2, and lastly the 1. Then for this one, 2 raised to power -1 is supposed to give us 0.5. Well, this one is supposed to give us 0.25, and the last part 0.125. Okay, so as you look at the example that we have two parts. We have the integral part, that is from the point towards the left. Then we have the fractional part, that is from the point towards the right hand side. So this is actually, let me try to differentiate it. Okay, so we have so that is our integral part. Well, on the other side we have let me get another color. Well, this is now the other part, the fractional part. Okay, having done that, the next step is to multiply. So we have 8. We have the 8. Okay, let me see how to go about it to make the work more easier. So we have the integral part, that is 8. So we have the 8 multiplying by 1 plus 4 multiplying by 1 plus 2 multiplying by 1 plus 1 multiplying by 1. This is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is giving us a total of 15. Okay, let's move to the fractional part, that is 0.5. let me zoom in. So we have 0.5 multiplied by 1 plus the other part is 0.25 multiplied by 1 plus 0.125 multiplied by 1. When you get this one, supposed to give us this one is supposed to give us 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125. I hope that you are following up. So when you had this one, it's supposed to give you 5 to, it's supposed to give us a 0.875. Okay, now on the other part, take the integral part, that is 15 plus 0.825. So this one is supposed to give us a total of 15.875. 875 base 10. So this is now the answer for this question. Okay, let's move to the next part. Our question 2 or example 2, we have 0.0, then we have the point 0, 0, 1, and 1. The position of this one is definitely 1, 0. Then we have -1, -2, -3, and lastly -4. Okay, this one is supposed to give us a 2 raised to power 2 raised to power, this is a 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power -1, 2 raised to power -2, 2 raised to power -3, 2 raised to power -4. Okay, when you expand this one is supposed to give you 1, while this is a 0.5, 0.25, 0.125, and these are the 1, 0.0625. Okay, having done that, the next step is to pick the integral. Okay, so the integral part is the real number multiplied by the value base 10. So for the first scenario, we have 0 multiplied by 1, which is going to give us 0. Okay, let's move now to the fractional part, that is 0 multiplied by 0.5 plus 0 multiplied by 0.25 plus 1 multiplied by 0.125, then plus 1 multiplied by 0.0625. Okay, so this is 0, this is 0, and the other part, this is a 125 plus 0 point 0.0625, which is giving us a total of 0.1875. Okay, now the value for the integral is 0 plus 0.1875, which is giving a total of 0.1857, sorry, 75 base 10. So this is the final answer, which is supposed to give us, let me write the final answer here, 0.1875 base 10. So that's the answer for this particular question. So I think by now you have an idea on how to go about the binary fraction to decimal conversion. So in case you have any question or you require any clarification, don't hesitate to write down the question on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I see your question. So thank you for taking time to watch. Don't forget to like and also to subscribe. Subscribing will really help me to grow this particular channel. Thank you, and bye bye.